Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. A paper trending on X this week pushes back against the recent trend of overly complex AI architectures. It was published on May 12, 2026, exactly a week ago today. The paper is titled Slicing and Dicing, Configuring Optimal Mixtures of Experts. As mixture of experts models become the standard for scaling large language models, there's been an ongoing debate over whether we really need complicated routing and shared experts, or if simple scaling is enough. After running over 2,000 pre-training experiments, the authors found that performance is almost entirely driven by scaling up the total expert count and optimizing granularity, while adding shared generalist experts actually degrades performance. We will break down exactly which design choices move the needle, and as we will see, their simplified recipe for building these models is the most interesting part. Figure 1 breaks down the mechanics of a flexible mixture of experts layer. Here, a token passes through a self-attention mechanism before hitting the routers, which decide which specific subnetworks or experts to activate. This diagram illustrates a highly flexible setup, featuring an always active generalist expert alongside differently sized expert sets. While this complex design looks powerful, the authors actually found that mixing expert sizes or adding that generalist offers no real benefit over a simpler, uniform configuration. Well, if complex architectures didn't help, what actually drives performance? Figure 2 maps out loss curves across various model scales to answer that. The left and center columns reveal a clear trend. Performance consistently improves as the total number of inactive parameters grows. Then, the right column plots setups with a fixed total parameter budget. These curves show that optimal expert size depends mostly on the active parameter count, suggesting we should scale up simply by adding more experts. Figure 6 examines the routing mechanism itself, comparing standard routing to dropless routing. Standard routing sometimes drops tokens when an expert gets overloaded, but dropless routing uses block sparsity, which processes tokens in structured chunks to ensure no data is ever skipped. In these charts, the solid lines represent models using dropless routing, and the dashed lines show the default approach. Across almost all configurations, the solid lines sit lower on the vertical axis, which indicates better performance. This suggests dropless routing provides a reliable boost without adding architectural complexity. While dropless routing improved performance, Figure 5 circles back to evaluate shared generalist experts. These charts plot model loss across different expert granularities, comparing setups without a generalist, shown by the blue lines, against models with generalists of various sizes. In almost every configuration, the blue line sits lower on the vertical axis, which indicates a lower loss. This confirms that adding an always active generalist actually degrades performance, proving that purely routed experts remain the most effective choice. Table 1 outlines the specific hyperparameters used across the more than 2,000 pre-training runs. The list details standard training settings like the atom optimizer, as well as mixture of expert-specific variables such as load balancing weights and token dropping strategies. Because the authors tested so many combinations, they bolded the default configurations that proved most effective in the main experiments, which reinforces their simplified recipe for optimal model scaling. Following those hyperparameter settings, Table 2 lays out the architectural details for all the different models tested. The rows group the models by their active parameter count, starting at 10 million and scaling up to 300 million. Within each group, the activation sparsity increases. This scales the total parameter count as high as 6.6 billion. This exhaustive breakdown highlights the massive scale of their study, confirming that performance consistently improves as you add more experts. Wrapping up, 2 takeaways stand out. First, developers should avoid overcomplicating architectures with shared experts. Second, simply scaling the total expert count and optimizing granularity drives the best performance. That wraps up this look at mixture of experts models. I am Alex, and this has been the AI Research Roundup. See you in the next one.